So this is the apartment tour of this apartment. It's a short-term, no contract. For 940 euros a month, you can find it on Agoda. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. And it has a kitchen as well. This is the fridge. It's not plugged in, which I didn't realize until later. So we had to just plug it in, but it got cold pretty quickly. There's a phone here for, I think, outside. I don't know if it works though. And then a little table with 3 chairs, which is exactly the amount of chairs we need. And the host left us a nice little gift of some fruit and apples. So we have here a 3-burner stove plus oven, a nice large 2 sink. We have some cleaning supplies, which all of them look like full, and there's, I think, some new sponges back there. The dishes are here, and it looks like a coffee maker up there. I don't know how to use that. And in here, the host said that he has some Albanian coffee for us, as well as some Turkish coffee with sugar. And this I just saw, it's herbal tea, which I'm excited to try. Has anybody ever had that before? Any of the coffee or tea? Because I'm really excited to try it, and I don't even drink coffee. The sugar for the coffee. I think that's the exhaust pipe. Now we have the bathroom here, which looks like it doubles as a utility room. There's a clothes washing machine and a sink with some new soap on it, a mop, some other cleaning supplies, a towel, some new packs of toilet paper, body wash, shower, a window, which is nice to get air in the bathroom, but not private, so I'm gonna close that for now. And then when I close the drapes, it looked like it came off, so I'm not sure how to put that back on. I'll try that later. We have the toilet here, and then when you come out, there's a microwave, which we never use. There's some silverware, and then several drawers with just liner on them, and some washing rags, another liner drawer, 2 more cabinets with space with liner. So when you open this door, there's 2 bedrooms, and also a mirror with slippers that they left us, a hair dryer, and coat rack. This is the first room. It has just 1 single bed for like 1 person. My oldest daughter is taking this room, she says. And has some blankets there with the nice pictures on the wall of the beach. With we have a window right behind the bed with some drapes, pillows, and a little bedside table. And when you go back out, there is a 2nd bedroom here with a very large bed, some towels at the end of the bed, and that's my purse there. We have a really cool light, disco light, 2 bedside tables with lamps, air conditioner and heater at the top. Then there's a cabinet with extra blankets and sheets. Lots of extra blankets and very thick blanket. I plan to turn the heat on though. Those are all of our things, and then we have a television, and under there some more extra blankets. And then here's this window. There's a lot of people outside, I noticed, so you can hear a lot of people talking right now. Then we have this bedside table with 2 empty drawers. Looks like a newer bedside table. And yeah, this is the window. Very large window. My cat tried to crawl through there. Then we go back here to the utility room, where there's more space for storage and lots of more extra blankets. and a clothes drying rack for when you're done washing your clothes. It's nice that you don't have to leave it outside because it's raining a lot right now. Nice cute swan picture at the top of the wall, and another picture of flowers. So this concludes the apartment tour. We're just gonna walk through to the end now and leave the apartment. I hope you liked it, and yeah, this is the house rules before you leave. It's